Minister of Agriculture and Rural Development, Haji Mohammed Sobo. I know that na Sobo, lo abi na Sobo they try to talk, but anyhow. Now in them be that, and this one where they talk about na 74 years old man. Una no go believe this man just marry, and person wey he marry no be any other person. The girl get 18 years old. She still dey secondary school as una dey hear me like that. 74. Marry 18 when still dey secondary school. I no just understand some kind of combination. And according to matter wey reach me, they say na only 3 representatives of this minister wey we dey talk about na attend the wedding. No. He want everybody say he want make wedding be confidential. He say you no want make anybody come out. You know what? In fact, as we dey talk now, Minister of Agriculture dey in house, they cultivate on this 18-year-old girl body. They cultivate seriously. The girl self don't move inside house. They don't dey leave us old man. See, no, make una see the kind old people where Buhari just appoint to lift millions of Nigeria out of poverty. You see them, 74. Minister, Agriculture, 70. Like, I'm not just understand. Person wey look like who go soon go join your ancestor self. Now, they call rule concerning agriculture matter and rural development. Sometimes I wonder whether these people even know the meaning of the titles where they share. Una know the meaning of rural development. Whoa, una they give this kind man. No, tell me which business 74-year-old man. Which business this man at this age get to do with agriculture and Una no go understand. I don't tire. This now see this Buhari matter. If they give me chance, I go change many things in 1 hour. Yes, so because many things just they go wrong and they know they see. I don't know whether they don't blind. I don't know whether they don't feel just see say these things no they work. Not now, just come sit down for power. They destroy Nigeria from head to toe. 74, they marry 18. How? How? And now we they look on this way now. Imagine this one are people where they lead also. Imagine if the whole Nigeria must behave like this. Say any age where you want, just go marry. If you want to marry 7 years old and you are 45, marry. Just imagine we they live like that. How we want. No, like I don't understand. How would they expect we go move forward like this? How? When our leaders themselves now them they defile little children. This is defilement. What do they call this one? Forget say they sit down do introduction. I be they put ring. I don't know whether not as they use ring safe. Forget that thing. This is defilement. 18 years. What did that guy even know? Some people forget to not be age. So some people they very young but they don't mature. Some people they don't mature but they don't like you don't understand. What did this girl fit do? She even still in secondary school. So now one time he say this girl will continue to focus for school. Even married women where they don't they very mature both in age, body and everything, where they still they go university. Some of them say they hard for them to focus. Now when you they young, it go dey easy for you to catch up. And now see now like this Nigeria don't fail. This one Nigeria don't fail. Pata. No, you don't understand. They don't get any other job where they go they do. No, which other work when I want them to say these people they do. If not be to steal money, by the time they don't carry money, chop, spend them anyhow, marry underage. When they don't marry finish, they born pikin. Before you know they just they travel for medical checkup. Now the only work where they do nothing. No, okay, this same Minister of Agriculture where we they talk about just list one thing. If I tell you me list 3 now, I go just give you a headache. Just give me one thing where this man don't do. Minister of Agriculture, Rural Development. Oh yeah, show me the thing. And I go tell me say they work. They are doing their work. Clueless old men in government. Now what I just they see. I feel bet with my life. This one not be joke. I feel bet with this my life. Say this man, even to operate computer, I know if you operate computer. But he carry big position, sit down for that seat. I'm the minister of agriculture. Hey. The kind thing wey Buhari don cause for us. No problem. The reason why they bring this thing like this, so that all of una when they plan to vote, una go dey see o. Before una go talk say we didn't know, nobody gave us reasons. Because if you need more reasons, I have more reasons to give you people. And I will continue to give you people more reasons. You understand? I make una shine in our eyes. Before Nigeria go turn to northern country, the whole of Nigeria will just turn to northern country. Shine your eyes, very, very important. Shorty here, I no go talk at 2 times. But people, wetin una think concerning this matter? Because if you now ask me, I beg make they just remove this man. He does not even deserve to be minister, not talk of agriculture and rural development. I no see wetin they develop. Instead, even they scatter the things. You understand? I beg, drop her for that comment section. I want to know wetin you they think. And if you never subscribe, because wetin they wait for, just click on that thing. And make sure say you drop your comment. I go reply on a one by one. Share this video once again. Everybody need know wetin they happen. Very, very important. Stay tuned for our next story. They don't expose Sunny Badu. Hey, they don't say this man don't call lie about many degrees, certificates, title, boy, they flaunt online. Ha! For now, we don't know who be Sunny Badu. I go give you a small taste of the whole thing. Now, UK-based Ghanaian gospel artist, yes. I didn't show so many of you know his songs. When I don't see her before, now I put the picture where they see what they talk about. Now, him be that. Not be small titles, oh. If you not hear names, in fact, even some of them say I don't even pronounce them. Different names, different titles. He go post them for Instagram, scatter everywhere. In fact, cause confusion up and down. And he to say he is honored. Listen, he say he dey very honored by the Trinity International University of Ambassadors. They say na the school be that where you go learn all these many things. Within 4 months, just 4 months, this man acquire Doctor of Fine Arts in Musicology, Master degree in Christian Leadership, Bachelor degree in Ministry. In fact, they plenty. Hey, I don't tire. In fact, dean, professor, doctor, everything they inside this matter. 4 months. I before now we no. When I never see that kind of certificate before, you understand? Because put the video, make the sweet and they talk about. Una don't see this kind of certificate before. I say the names I no fit pronounce. E come outside, but I beg, see. I know the lie when people they don't say they insult one man of God or something. I not call insult, but the truth must be said. Una understand? And una go dey wonder now, how come we get this kind of information? How they find out say the matter na lie, be the matter? Hey, I go tell now all the gist. Person see this thing after a poster. You understand? One Facebook guy like that. He see now, so he call the wonder say, this guy, what did they call Trinity International University of Ambassador? See, you understand? He call the wonder. He say, oh yeah, make him find out. You understand? This guy can't do his findings. Can't follow up inside this matter. Now, so the guy can't write to the accreditation board for US. Say how far? I hear say this person graduate, this person do this. You understand? They ask the question concerning the whole this thing. Now, so they can't reply and they can't tell us say they not fit find any information about the university accreditation board. This Trinity. Hi! Now they kasala boss. We can't find out say that school. No. Oh God. Hi! Una no dey understand. Una no dey see. Una no dey feel the gravity of this matter. I no understand though. You be pastor. You get your church. People know you. You there everywhere. You dey sing on top. Wetin be the need of all? Okay, fine. I no say to go school good. But why you no fit go to the main school to acquire all these things? You know our problem, human beings. We always dey feel like say without a degree, you no understand. Like our life not dey validated. To go school is good, but you no go kill yourself if you no fit go school. No, this one, if I tell una say I no dey shocked, I dey lie. If I tell una say I no dey shocked, I dey lie. If this thing no shock you, then you no know wetin it takes to acquire doctorate. If this thing no shock you, no understand. If e no pull you out of your seat, if e no make you stand up, you no know. You know wetin be doctorate? I no dey talk about university here. 4 months. Now that one save, I still no fit understand. If you want such accolades, you want make people applaud for you, you want make people shout everywhere. My brother, go to school. It is as simple as ABCD. People dey go school for this kind titles 6 years, 7 years, some of them serve 10 years, depending on how the issues. Some of them they get issues during the this thing. Some people they even take 10 years before they acquired all these things together. You just come out 4 months, you just get your own. Hey, this is a big disgrace. This one a big disgrace. I no go like give anybody. I no just dey understand how you go come outside with such things. At least if the school exists, number 1, sure say okay you go to school, number 2, then number 3, I know they even confirm from the school, you know they. And now some people go, they come outside, touch not my anointed. I bet nobody they touch any anointed, but we must say the truth. Which example now will you they lead your people now with this kind of thing? Which example you they show them the fastest way, backyard way? How people want learn now say they must go through the normal way to success? How? You want people to clap. You want accolade. You want your name to be known all right. My brother, your name is already known. Your name is already known. See, make una dey careful, especially una wey una know say una be figure, public figure. People they look up to una. They very if you want to do something, think am 10 times. Because it takes small thing for that. You see that thing that you've built for how many years? It go just collapse. I beg, let's stop lying. Let us stop lying. It is very, very important. May we stop to the lie. This thing, seriously, I'm not embarrassment. Go to the school. If you want a doctorate, professor in a Christian, degree, bachelor in this one, I beg, go to the school. That boy will go do that Facebook thing, God will bless you. No, it's like now like this, you supposed to do all these ones. You know how many, some people did not even go to primary school, but today go and check them and they are proud. They are doing their small business. Some of them say, all these celebrities, big people that they are calling billions today, you think all of them go school? School does not determine whether you will be great, whether you will be, although it is necessary. It is necessary to those that can afford it. But school does not determine your level of greatness in life. You know how many people, they make I not even start to call names. I'm not going to mention names. I know people where when they secondary school, first position at them. You know that's how you know they drag that position with them. Yeah? But today, Madam Aproko, I bet if you send me 5K, no, nah. I was not in first position. I was not. But I no be olodo. Me, no try her. I smart gone. Forget her. You understand? So I beg, me will learn. Because If you want something, work for it. Work for it. It is as simple as that. I tell you before, there is no elevator to success. It's step by step. Very, very important. I understand. My people, I say I go bring this matako on aside because I like this man. You know that song in music, in music they carry me go heaven, come back. Now that's so the love deep. But this one, I must say, I am disappointed. I am terribly disappointed. Biko, I beg, me wanna help me share this video because this matter now. I dey sure say some of una self never hear that because now you don't dey everywhere. So I go bring her so that my people go know wetin dey happen. So share this video so that everybody go know say Trinity International University of this thing. I beg before they, because some people when they hear name of school they go say this person na my mentor. He get this degree from that place. They go won't go. I beg. Do your findings well now. I bring her outside before you go get deceived now by pictures and write-ups. Share this video so everybody go know wetin dey happen. Our brother, our pastor, our papa, Sonny Badu don't bring false degrees and titles to our tables. And make sure say you drop your comment for that comment section, and as usual, I go reply on one by one. Subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you go to miss important content like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.